They don't know what our period. I believe at the Chisika. When I have something that requires action, that action will be taken. Otherwise, I'm not going to do it. The report about him, which indicated failure. And I said, look, there's a pay there. And as a result of the pay there, what was could not continue to be what was. But then, what is inspired in democratic dispensation to strengthen the people. I am one of those who, when he got the judgment of the verdict, I found it awkward. I didn't voice it out awkward, and I found it awkward. Awkward in the sense that how can the man who has not contested an election, the man who has not been voted for, will be declared governor without being voted for? But I really started. And people went to hire. I don't need people to be thinking. And this is what I want. As far as I'm concerned, at the end of the video. And please. If anybody is not satisfied after that, it has to do for the judgment of the Supreme Being of God. So, the KENNETH administration not only that, after he said, I won with overwhelming slant, what do you call it? Landslide. Then, what period are you talking about? Well, actually, again. Some people have also said, why should you come here? Hey, they give me over. No, get out of here. You can't sleep. I don't want to see that people can remember that. I work so that I get that what God wants us to do. Well, if you see anybody decide, then that you can have good luck to him. But I want you to remember, I want what my name doing the heart and mind of Nigeria, not necessarily. Maybe decided that the road not to be now to be the world. What is that world? And if because of that, they invited me and I didn't go. Then I'm winning. And I don't deserve the honor. Even that honor. In that place. Of course, what to do with all the love? There was someone who was not me. If I didn't get you, then I'm sure without thinking about it. I can hope and know how to do it. And if the experience is also with wisdom, it works it. I have been asking about a few things that I know about the records and River State. And you've been telling me what progress is doing. I do. But in our politics, we will show principle. We will embrace principle and love. Because I can disagree with you with principle and with love. But what you do as political leader, as whatever leader, so many can see. You will not be there for now. You will not be there for. And if you are going to make progress, you are not limit you. You do what you need, what you have to do. Somebody else comes and does it. Let me say that I hope you are not going there, and I hope you will not. Because if you spend your time to use your hand to call the achievement of your predecessor, then you will have no time and no hand to have your own achievement. You must never use your time and your hand to cover the achievement of your predecessors. You know, where there is the need for employment, where there is the need for correction. I want to acknowledge Obi. Say something. Because when this problem came, I told him, I hope you will remember. And I said, don't take anything against God.